Hey friends, if Windows screen keeps refreshing itself automatically on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now before the resolution, let us think about the cause. Most probably the cause is that there is a third party software or game that will keep on pushing your system towards refreshing again and again. And here's what you can do about it. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution will be to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be a DISM scan. So the command for the DISM scan is DISM /online /cleanup -image restore health. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar once again and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. The next solution will be a check disk scan. So here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar once again and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. The last one is obviously to update the drivers to the latest version. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.